So as a streamer or on Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, or whatever the platform that you want to use, emotes is a really big thing. And I made my own, and this is what I found out. What's going on, everybody? We got some great information for you today, and I know you're going to like it. So emotes are like emojis that you can really create your own, but they're often used in the Twitch community, the streaming community, just in general. So if you follow that person, you might get some free emotes, but also if you purchase a subscription, you get higher emotes that look a little bit more personalized and are a whole lot better. This is a perfect way for your community to engage with you and for you to engage with the community, and vice versa. Whether it be an inside joke or whether it just be something you die in the game, and this is the emote that they put every time you die in the game. So I found that there are two ways to make emotes. So the first way that you can make an emote is buy one. So some people go to Fiverr.com, some people go to Own TV. If you go to Fiverr.com, they're going to make it just like every other esports user is going to be like. That's really Fiverr's bread and butter. They go to AI, just figure out something and then hand it to you, claim it as their own, and try to get money for it. I don't suggest Fiverr. Now, you can also create your own on Own.tv, and you can actually customize it the way that you want, but they don't necessarily have... You get my drift. For some reason, the generic gamer slash streamer is not a black person that came from the boat of Africa. I didn't either, but that's not the point. Now, yes, they do have dark skin, but they don't have the actual hair that most African Americans would have. They don't have dreadlocks. They don't have a shortcut. Literally, you have to put a hat on it. It's bad. Let's talk about the second way to make your own emote. What you're going to need is a laptop or an iPad. Then you're going to need the applications of either Photoshop, Fresco, or Procreate, whatever you prefer. Now, if you're on the iPad, there are two applications that you can use. A free version is Fresco. Fresco is completely free, but if you want to upgrade and get some different brushes and different choices, you can for $10 a year. Procreate, you pay $10 one time and it's yours completely. Now here you can draw out however you like your emote to be. But if you're not a good artist and it's hard to find some good inspiration, I suggest you use either royalty-free AI or Pinterest or Pixels, something like that, just so you can get your inspiration. You can actually put it in there, trace it, bring down the opacity so that way you can combine it and make it to where you want it to be.
Really? I'm finally accepted as an artist.
No, people just don't care anymore. Now, if you're using Photoshop, here's where you can be creative. Find a face that you like with hair that you like. And don't draw the eyes, don't put the mouth in it or the nose. Now find different sets of eyes, different sets of mouths, and different sets of noses, and play around and put it in the face to see what you like and how you don't like. It's a good free starting point, and you can get different emotes that way that look great. I do have a bonus tip, but before I get there, you gotta support the channel. You gotta support the channel just by hitting that like button, because it's completely free, or subscribing. That's also free, because most of you guys aren't subscribed. Why? And for my final tip, and this might be the easiest one, use your phone. Now these are for my Apple users. If you're an Android, I really don't know what to say. Anyway, go to the emoji section on your iPhone. In the emoji section, you can actually create an emoji based off of your face with different types of styles. So you can do different hair designs, different anything, and send it to yourself. So pick 4 or 5 emojis that you like, and send it to yourself. Once you send it to yourself, it comes out automatically as a PNG, assuming that your iPhone is connected to your laptop as a Mac user. But even if it's not as a Mac user, you can email it to yourself and it still comes out as a PNG. And then once that's done, you put it into Photoshop or GIMP or Canva, whatever you use as your photo editing software. Drop it down to the preferred pixels that Twitch, YouTube, or any emote designer prefers, and there are your emotes. And that's all I have for the emotes today. This is some great information, and I hope it's going to help you as a streamer that's just starting or anything like that. Just basically boost your hobby or career to the next level. So please leave a like, leave a comment, also subscribe. Let me know if you're going to use any of these methods, and if you want more tech and gaming reviews, I'm right here. All right. See you again. Peace.